Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Garageband on your iPhone. Open the app and create a new song now. Tap the plus and choose Drummer or Drum Kit to add a drum track. This gives you either algorithmic grooves or manual pads. Pick a drummer style to get a quick performance versus selecting a kit for hands-on control. Once done, set tempo and time signature so your drum part locks to the song. These choices shape feel and groove before you record. Now you customize and record. You can tweak the drummer's complexity, swing and fills, or hit the drum pads for manual takes. Use smart drums for quick arrangement or record in real time with the metronome engaged, because consistent timing matters. After recording, trim or extend the region and loop it to test ideas. If you need precision, convert the region to MIDI so you can edit individual hits, velocities, and replace kit sounds. This gives full control over the performance. Finish by mixing your drum track. Lower or raise level, pan slightly, and add reverb or compression so the kit sits in the mix. EQ cuts can prevent muddiness. When satisfied, bounce the track or export the whole song as WAV or AAC. Pick a sample rate that matches your project. If you hit problems, audio dropouts, stuck pads, or missing hits, restart Garageband, clear background apps to free memory, and re-record the affected region to resolve glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.